Darmaga Hardwood Flooring is one of the largest and most trusted hardwood flooring companies in the GTA. With over 2,500 flooring products on display in our newly renovated showroom, you will have plenty of options to choose from. With over 80 years of experience and knowledge, we strive to ensure that you are 100% satisfied with our high-quality products, precise installation process, and the stunning final result. Our product specialists and design consultants will help you choose the perfect floor to match your lifestyle and meet your budget. Experience the Darmaga difference. As a 3-time Top Choice Award winner for top hardwood flooring, we thank our repeat customers and their referrals. It is important to be cautious of too good to be true flooring deals. You might think saving money is paramount. However, this will cause you more headaches and more expenses down the road. Because this is usually a big investment, make sure to do as much research beforehand. Visit our showroom to access and experience all the major brands at your fingertips. Get the best warranties in the country. We are always there to protect you and your floors. Visit darmaga.com. Request a free estimate. Consider a personalized consultation. It's free. Remove the risk. Hire Darmaga. Love your floor.